Most people think building an app takes a team of developers, months of planning, and a big budget. I used to think the same until I found a tool that changed everything for me. My name is Ron, and today I'm going to show you how you can turn ideas into real apps, even if you have never written a single line of code. And instead of teaching you the usual step-by-step guide, I'm going to show you how I built two completely different apps, one fun, one serious, and how you can do the same. Before we start, open Base44 website. Just go to Google, search for it, and you will land up here. The moment you land on the homepage, you will see two ways to begin. You can write your own custom prompt here, which is what we are mainly going to focus on today, and you can explore the ready-made templates. So for example, here you can see there's a lot of things I will show you in this few minutes. Now, first of all, let's go and check out the pricing here. And as you can see here, we have a free version, Starter, Builder, Pro, and Elite. You can go to monthly and save up. I think if you just go and buy yearly, you will be able to save 20%. So you can choose anything. It's completely up to you. Now let's go and click on Start Building from the top right side corner. You can use your Google ID or just normal ID to log in into it. Now let's see you on the other side. Now from here, you can explore ready-made templates, which is called content packs. These templates are grouped by category and help you start fast if you want ideas or a base structure to edit. But today we are doing this the fun way. Instead of using these old examples, I will show you something brand new. For the first app, I want to create something playful that I could share with my friends. So I asked Base44 to build a pet theme memory card game featuring dog versus cats, complete with sound effects when a match is found, a timer, leaderboards, and a random card shuffle every round. By the way, you can change it which model you want to use. So right now Gemini 3 Pro, that is the latest AI model and it is the far the best one, but Claude 4.1 is also really good. So you can choose accordingly. Now it will start building our game. Within minutes, I can play this game. I mean, my game is ready. So let's start. Let's go and click on start game here. And the timer got started. And here are the moves. And the medium is around 16, right? And I didn't give any color code, the name and logo, anything, right? I didn't give any information, but still it made. Let's go and match something. Okay, this looks interesting. I can share it with my friends. I can share the link. I can play it over my computer, my phone, anywhere, wherever I want. So if I want to share, I have to just go and click on copy the link. And now I can share it. I can invite my colleagues, my friends and anybody, right, to play this game and to beat me in this game. Now I can check the leaderboard here right now. And this is me, by the way. And this is the home. I can check it from here too. And what's the level? It's easy, medium, hard, right? Everything it got covered up. It feels like magic because everything happened in real time. But small games are only the beginning. To show you the real power of Base44, I decided to build something that could help with my actual work. This time, I asked for a customer support request center. I want a dashboard where people could submit issues, upload screenshot, check ticket status, and where I could assign tickets to different team members. And let's select the model. I'm going with the Gemini 3 Pro, and let's hit the enter bar and it will start making our application right now. Now it started like an actual developer started building the whole thing for me automatically, but in steroids. On the left side of the screen, I could watch the entire build process happening line by line. Alright guys, now it's done. Once the first draft of my support center appeared on the dashboard, I opened the preview mode. So you can see here dashboard and this is the preview mode. You can switch between desktop to mobile. For example, I want to view it how it looks over phone. This is how it looks over phone and this is how it's look over desktop. And if something feels off, all you do is chat with your Base44 assistant. So simply you have to just write it, oh, change the name, change something here. My tickets, as you can see here, I found this issue. So let's get back here and I will show you live. Now this is it. Now for example, if I go to my ticket support, as you can see here, this means this code that the AI has not implemented this page yet. Ask it to implement it in the chat. So what you have to do, simply go to your chat section on the left side and write the page my ticket section could not be found in the application, fix it and press the enter. Now automatically Base44 will identify it and fix it instantly. Now here you can see I have fixed this navigation link in the layout. The My Ticket link will now correctly route to My Ticket page along with the other navigation item. Now let's check this out. So here, this is my home. home. This is my ticket. It works perfectly fine. And does it work on the other section too? Yes, obviously. That is pretty nice. Now let's check each and everything. Does it work perfectly or not? So I want to submit a ticket. I will just go and click on submit a ticket. Now I'll just write here test ticket. Now this is a category. I want to select this issue I faced was in account management, and here I want the fix ASAP. This is just an example. I can put a screenshot here. Now let's check that I'm able to upload an image or not. And this is impressive. I'm able to upload an image. Now what's the urgency? I wanted to fix it critical. So I'll just go and click on submit, and our ticket got submitted. All right, I submitted the ticket, but I was not able to view it anywhere, neither in my ticket section, neither in submitted ticket, neither in admin dashboard. That's why I just wrote it again, submit ticket feature is not working, and ask it to fix the ticket. And as you can see here, now it started showing up here. Now this is pretty cool. This is the test ticket which we did while making this video, and this was the, again, I checked it whether it's working or not. Now I can view the ticket. Now I can assign to my team members directly from here to fix this issue ASAP. Now this feature is working perfectly fine. Now let's get back to the home, and this is admin, and I assign to someone, and this is unassigned, and I can assign to Mike here, and this is working pretty cool. If you face any kind of similar issue, you can simply just go in here, write your prompt that this feature is not working, can you fix it, and automatically it will fix it up in few seconds. And there's a lot more you can do, right? For example, if you want to change the color, if you want to add one more section, it's completely up to you. But sometimes you want more control. That's where the visual editor comes in. That's let you click anything on the page button, images, input boxes, and adjust the size, color, spacing, or text. I love this because I could fine-tune everything without needing design skills. I can even upload my own company logo and place it exactly where I wanted it. For example, I want to upload here my company logo, right? I can do that. I should have that freedom. Your dashboard inside Base44, so if you just go to your dashboard, is like your home base. It organizes data, app settings, analytics, permissions, and other controls. The layout may look different depending on your plan, but the essential part stays the same. One of the places you will visit often is the overview tab. So this is our overview, and if I want to open the app, I can open it directly from here, where Base44 writes a title and description for your application. So for example, if I want to change the name of change the name of my application, I can do it. I can just write here Filex Express, right? And click on the stick icon. If I want to change the logo, I can change the logo directly from here. I can upload my logo, even I can generate my logo. I gave a very simple prompt and clicked on generate new logo, and automatically it will start generating a logo. And this is how it's looking like. Pretty normal and simple. By the way, the layout may look different depending on your plan, but the essential part stays the same. To make things less overwhelming, let's focus on the important section. The first one is app visibility. And if I just go and click on public, so this is by default, it is in public. This decide who can use your app. For my support center, I set it to private, so only invited users can access my application. I would make it public so anyone could play without logging in. You can also choose if you want to collect user information, so it's it's your decision, it's subjective. Next, the user tab is where you invite people to join your application. For example, if I want a friend to help me manage support ticket, I send them an invitation and assign the role. For example, if I want to share it to just a normal friend, I can copy the link and share it, but I can also invite them. For example, if I want to invite my team member, I can invite by copying this link, and this is the email. I can put their email and what kind of access I want to give, right? And then just go and click on send invitation. By the way, if you want admin control, then you have to upgrade your Base44 plan. Now, all the users will show up here, and you can check each and everything, right? All the users who are using your application will show up here. Now, this is data tab. You can see all the forms, attachment, entries are available here. For example, I want to check the ticket. So this is where I can check the ticket, what's the status, what's the username, and everything will be available here. Now, this is a team member, and all the team member are available here. I can check their email addresses and everything. By the way, all these email addresses are pretty much demo. So this is not original. So this is not a leak of any privacy or anything. So no worries. Now you can edit, delete, or export the data anytime. You have these options, right? You can even add it, you can export it, right? Pretty easy. One of my favorite part is the analytics dashboard. If I just go to the analytics, which track how people use your app, it shows growth, user behavior, and performance. This helps you see what's working and what's needed improvement. Every app you create gets a free Base44 domain. You can personalize it to buy a custom domain directly from Base44. If you have already owned a domain somewhere else, Base44 walks you through connecting it step by step. No technical knowledge needed. Another important section is security.